Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to fix Facebook Live event not available. So right now, let's head over to Facebook and let's click our icon right here, which will lead us to our timeline. So as you can see right now, there's only posts, photos, and reels, and there's no option for live event. So in order to make it show, let's head over to our Play Store and let's search here Facebook Live. Let's click this and you just need to install it. So for me, I've already installed it. So what I need to do next is to open it and then log into your account. Since I've already logged in, I can just head over to my timeline right here and then scroll down. And in here, you can see photo, check-in, and live event. So right now, the live event is now showing. So you can just click on that and you can see all your live events, or you can create a live event. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Follow for more.